Hi, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In this video, I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful Tunisian bubble stitch. So let's start it. To work this beautiful bubble stitch, begin with a multiple of 2 chains. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop. And repeat. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat. Chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook into the second space and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops except my first loop. Chain 1, skip 1 space, insert your hook into the next space, yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, and repeat. At the end of the row, insert your hook into the last space and pull up loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. Yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, insert your hook into that chain which for closing your bubble stitch, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops except my first loop, chain 1, and repeat. Pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, and repeat. At the end of the row, insert your hook into the second chain and pull up loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Take care.